Mom, you have the cap on.
Oh. There. All right, now dogs. Doggies. Pay attention. Sit. Good boy, Chansey. You. Sit.
I'm just her former trainer. Come here. Yeah.
Carly, you're going to miss that.
Chance.
I got her to sit.
Okay.
Oh, come on.
All right.
Nina.
Listen.
Okay.
Okay. All right.
Go.
Everybody sit. Chance,
I'll just
sit.
hold her.
Sit. Okay.
Here.
Now,
Here we go. I'm sitting.
Taylor's sitting. Good, Taylor. Good, Chansey. Good doggies. Okay. Class, I'm now
Sit.
sit. Good boy. Stay. I'm now going to explain the spreadsheet that we're using. See, we have a spreadsheet here, and it's separated out into sponsors, patrons, and registrants. And this is the spreadsheet we're using. Are you listening?
Sit.
This class is very unruly. But one of the very important things on this spreadsheet, I'm saving this note for posterity, so we'll do this again next year for the Strut Your Mutt 2011, is we have a column here where we can mark when we've done our thank you notes.
We haven't done any yet.
Yeah.
But we're getting there.
That's why there are a lot of blank spaces
We've
here.
almost started.
Okay, we've almost started. All right, class dismissed.
Okay, class dismissed. Thank you.